Hi guys.
Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and as you know from some of the previous videos, we are actually camping inside of a dome up here in Maine, right outside of Arcadia National Forest. We were going to cook them up outside on the fire, but we decided to make them inside here in the toaster oven, so we're actually going to be making up some s'mores. These s'mores are going to include the basic graham cracker, marshmallows, but we're also going to throw a little bit of a small twist in there. Instead of using standard chocolate as you would with normal s'mores, we're going to go ahead and utilize some Reese cups to give it that peanut butter, milk chocolatey taste. Ashley's over there, she's already begun, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the camera and show you what she has so far and explain the whole entire process on how you can make s'mores easily at home, inside of a dome, or even while utilizing a campfire if you want to try out some Reese cups. Fun new twist on a basic treat. So Ashley's go ahead and breaking up some of these graham crackers here. So we've got the graham crackers, we've got them broken up into some bits. Next is to grab some marshmallows. We're actually going to be utilizing some honey graham crackers here. Random off-brand that we found here at a local grocer here up in Maine. Side note here, if I appear moderately intoxicated, we've actually been drinking up some fresh beers that we picked up in Salem. We got this Bog Moon Rising cranberry sour. Then I also have this Bel Air sour here, tropical sour from Brookland. And then this New World IPA by Mayflower. Massachusetts beer. For IPAs, definitely good, even though I'm a sours person. Quick look at what we have going on so far. We have the graham cracker, the Reese cup with the marshmallow. It's coming along quite well. Here they are so far. We've got 2 each, all prepared. Next step is to toss them in the toaster oven. Right into the toaster oven. Quick view here on some of the settings that we're utilizing. We're utilizing the stay on feature and the convection bake feature. And they're just cooking away. After a few moments, in the words of Ashley, they're sweating. Just look at that ooey gooey chocolate and peanut butter just melting away with the marshmallow on top. Ashley has decided they're ready. They've been called. We grabbed a oven mitt for safety. We're pulling them out, swinging them over here. Hold on. We don't want to burn the people's counter. Thanks to our Airbnb hosts, they provided this pig to rest hot things on, so we're going to set the pig down and set it down. Look at this ooey and gooey goodness. Right there as we add in the graham cracker and squish it down. We're going to go ahead and dig into that perfectly melted peanut buttery chocolate with the marshmallows, and we'll let you know how they are. So we just finished up the ooey gooey, luscious and dripping marshmallow treats made with the Reese cups. They came out perfect. I definitely loved them. I hope that you guys can give them a try and see what you think for yourself. If you've got any other great marshmallow s'more recipes that are different than the basic go-to recipe, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to follow along for more content that could be inside of a house, inside of a dome, or at the campsite.